Are you climbing, Brooke?
I want to get back on. Are we there yet?
Alright. Today's adventure is at the Deer Flat Wildlife Refuge. We're going to check out the visitor center and then go for a little hike around the lake.
That's a big fish.
Those are big fish.
I have this American robin.
Make them sing. Do you see it? What is that? Is that a duck? Yeah. You guys hear that noise? I think that's a quail. Where is he? He's somewhere in those bushes. These berries, guys? These are juniper berries. Look at the compost pile.
They
Berries
grow
on that
in
tree?
a bush. They grow it
yeah.
in Grandma's backyard.
Yep.
They do.
Should we go hike on a trail?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. See the tracks? Looks like beaver tracks. Mulberry tree. Some mulberries on it. See these things? These little pokey, bristly things. Yeah, they stick to your clothes. So they got all these little hooks in them so that if an animal passes by, it sticks to their fur and it carries and distributes the seeds.
As we were walking around the lake, we were finding all kinds of seeds. There were small seeds, large seeds, pokey seeds, prickly seeds. It got us to thinking about how plants distribute their seeds and some of the tricky methods a few of them resort to spread them. So we collected several different types of seeds and brought them back to the office for interrogation. This is the Seed Files.
Who do we have here?
He's not talking, pretty tight-lipped fellow.
Let's see. Mr. Pine Cone. It says here you've been living down by the reservoir. What have you been doing down there? Not dropping any seeds, were we?
He's not opening up. I think we picked him too early.
Well, let's see if we can't get your pretty little friend to talk, eh? Bring her in. Your friend here doesn't want to open up, but you look a little bit more loose. Look at her. She's riddled with seeds.
Pine cones do come in male and female cones. The female cones disperse their seeds by opening and the seeds drop to the ground.
Drop to the ground, huh? Well, this isn't the pair we're looking for then. Get him out of here. What do we have here, Detective?
This thing of fluff was caught floating on the breeze down by the reservoir, sir.
Floating on the breeze. Sounds suspicious.
Seeds like this from dandelions have very fluffy hair-like structures to catch the wind. They can float for miles until they settle down in a new location.
You don't say. Is that sort of trafficking legal? This looks like a rowdy bunch.
We got them hanging on a maple tree. Several of them had dropped already. They spin like helicopters.
What? A bunch of fall guys, eh?
Helicopter seeds don't usually catch the wind like dandelions. They take the fall around their parent tree.
This interrogation is taking forever! Get the rest of them in a lineup. Maybe we can pick them out.
Here are all the suspects, sir.
Okay, now let's remember here what the crime was.
The victim was Mr. Johnny Deer, sir. Says some vicious seeds attacked him while he was foraging down near the reservoir. Says they grabbed onto his fur and wouldn't let go.
So we're looking for a bad set of seeds. Someone with grabbing potential.
How about number 3, sir? Look at all those spikes.
Yeah.
Number 6 also has very sharp spikes, sir.
Now see, I was eyeing number 1 as well. Look at those long, pointy stalks. Very suspicious. How many seeds attacked Mr. Deer, did you say?
The report says it was several of different types.
Alright, people. We have our culprits. Book 'em.
That's the lake. Let's not go in it. Okay, get out of the lake. No, don't go in the lake. Don't go in the lake. Okay, we don't want to get all wet. Look at that pretty piece of quartz. Pretty rock. You guys see any tracks in the mud? Any animal tracks? See any footprints? Any animal tracks in the mud? Hey Matthew, come look at this. I think I found some animal tracks. Look right here. Look at this.
Yeah, I think I saw an osprey.
You see that?
It
See that?
like a hand.
It looks like, that looks like a raccoon track. Look right here. See, that's an animal track. It's like a little paw print. It's probably a little dog. Climb up there. Are you climbing, Brooke? Good job.